The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford, Northern Marion, Southern Wyandotte until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near March Sales and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Morrill, Alien, Chatfield, Crestline, New Washington. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now looking